What's going on, guys? This is Muhammad with another car review. I have a car hack that I want to show you. If you have a roof rack on your car, you must do this, guys. You can turn your car, you can haul a lot more stuff. You can put a lot more stuff on your roof rack and secure it very tightly, way more than if you don't know this hack. So this product, guys, the Husky, you get it from Home Depot, $5. That's how much it costs, $5. It comes with 4 anchor points to be able to use the ratchet straps on it. It's a 4-pack light duty black anchor points. This will support up to 600 pounds. You don't need any more than that because you don't want to put anything heavier than that on your roof rack. You just simply don't want to do that, right? Let me show you how easy it is to install. Guys, right here, look. You just use basically the screws and the bolts for the one that bolts straight into steel and metal. They're special bolts. You can also get them at Home Depot. This is the tip of the bolt right here. As you can see, I don't know if it's focusing or not. Yeah, and that's how it looks like. This is a 5/16 size. And you basically just drill it right through the metal, and it's gonna be very, very firm in there. It takes about 5 minutes to do all 3. We did one here, one in the middle, and another one in the end. I'm gonna make another video to show you what I'm able to haul on it and secure it very tightly. I'm planning to haul, to carry a king size, heavy, thick mattress and take it, across like in a whole, like a 2-hour trip, and we'll see how that holds up. I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. It will help me a lot, and I'll keep showing you these cool car hacks. Peace.